update that we have for you, and this is about the probe in Goa Inferno. Goa police have detained Ajay Gupta, one of the four co-owners, in fact, of Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub, where the fire claimed 25 lives, and he's the sixth person to be arrested in connection with this particular case. And now Gupta, who was on the run since the tragic incident, in fact, was detained after a lookout circular was issued against him. Times Now also confronted him. He actually was feigning ignorance. Listen in.
अजय गुप्ता, आपको पुलिस यहाँ पर लेकर आई है, जरा ये बताओ अजय गुप्ता, ये बताओ कि आप यहाँ पर आए हो अजय गुप्ता को लेकर। अजय कहाँ थे? अजय गुप्ता को लेकर आई है। अजय पता था, तुम्हें पता था यहाँ पर तुम भागे। अजय जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? 25 लोगों की मौत हुई, उसकी जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा? अजय बताओ, अजय बताओ। अजय क्या बिना एनओसी के क्लब कैसे चला रहे थे? बिना एनओसी के क्लब कैसे चलाया? अजय फेस कवर करके क्या हुआ बताइए? एक दिन अस्पताल में क्यों भर्ती हुए? अजय ये बताओ कि गाड़ी किसकी है? क्या नियम दरवाजा क्या क्या नियम? लूथरा ब्रदर्स का है, लूथरा ब्रदर्स का है। अजय आप ही तस्वीरें देखेंगे।
पार्टनर हूँ, मुझे इसके बारे में
मैडम दरवाजा खोले तो
एनओसी थी,
एनओसी ली दी है, एनओसी ली दी है।
आप बिजनेस पार्टनर है, आपने एनओसी ली दी।
तुम स्लीपिंग पार्टनर ही सही, लेकिन क्या तुमने एनओसी मांगी थी? तुमने पूछा था कि पैसा कहाँ लगा रहे हो?
Let's now go across to my colleague Isha, who is joining us live from Phuket at this point in time, the only channel tracking the Luthra brothers who currently are in Thailand as per the latest information that we have. Isha, good morning to you. This was the first reaction we got from Ajay Gupta, another person who has been detained in this particular case, that I'm only a sleeping partner with the Luthras, nothing else. But the question really is, where are Luthra brothers at this point in time? Any development in Thailand?
Hina, I'm reporting from the Katu district in Phuket. This is where the last location of the Luthras was tracked. What we're also hearing is that they're not just alone. There is one woman who is also with them. She's assisting them with visas as well. But also, Hina, it is important to notice that a blue collar notice has been issued, which essentially ensures that the Thailand police can also now step in and find out the whereabouts of these two brothers and inform the police. In fact, they will also have the power to detain if there is official confirmation from the other side as well, which is the Indian side. So the Goa police and the CBI are working in tandem and are also now involving the Thailand police. We spoke to sources in the Thailand police. They also confirmed to us that if they do indeed get an official confirmation, they will act on it. They are fully capable of acting on it. They also did tell us that they had checked into a homestay or a resort in the Katu district. Hina, what is also important to notice that every hotel in Thailand has a mandate which requires biometrics to be done properly, and even a passport copy that needs to be submitted. So to avoid that, these brothers are now checking into resorts and homestays where these particular rules and norms are not supposed to be followed. In fact, we went around Thailand as well. We went around Phuket and the Katu district as well to, in fact, keep tourist areas as well, to ask around these people if these two brothers were seen somewhere. But now, unless they're in a disguise, they haven't been spotted anywhere so far from the spot checks that we have been filing. But yes, Hina, the police and the CBI are both working in tandem together and have now also involved the Thailand police. For the whereabouts of these two brothers are in question. They are definitely in Thailand, but where is the big question?
Isha, request you to stay on with us. In fact, we have more updates as far as the story is concerned. Now, we told you Goa police, in fact, detained Ajay Gupta, one of the four co-owners of the Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub, and he's the sixth person, in fact, to be held in this particular case. Now, the latest update is that a GST certificate has been accessed by authorities that confirms his links to the business of Luthra brothers. Let me go across to my colleagues getting us this piece of information. We have Rucha live with us. Also joining us live is my colleague Priyank Tripathi. Rucha, to you first, give us more details, because when Times Now also tried to confront Ajay Gupta, who has been detained by the cops, he says, I'm only a sleeping partner with the Luthras, nothing else. Then why was he on the run?
Well, definitely now the investigation is underway. The Goa police, with the help of CBI and the rest of the authorities, are tracking all those partners, all those who are involved in this. The managers, the club staff is also being questioned. Whoever is in touch with the Luthra brothers and rest of the partners that are the actual responsible persons for the lack of the security, the negligence, the continuous complaints about the fire safety and the illegal construction that took place in Goa by the Romeo Lane. And currently we are expecting a briefing from the Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawant, very shortly on what is the latest update the government has. And in fact, a new committee has been formed to take action. Like we saw yesterday, there was bulldozer action on one of the locations at Wagator Beach, Romeo Lane, Wagator. The structure, illegal construction, was demolished yesterday, and similar kind of action we are expecting in the coming days. A new committee has been formed. They are making surprise visits at the nightclubs and doing the fire audits, whether the fire systems are in place, because in Goa there are multiple locations where at nightclubs in the night thousands and lakhs of people gather and for parties, and if any such kind of incident is taking place again, the government is now making sure that they are prepared for it, and the systems, the fire systems which cause the entire scenario.
Stay on with us. I'm interrupting you there. We'll of course be looking forward to what the Chief Minister has to say in this probe so far.